continuing on, you next have to pick the chemical that you're going to use for your regeneration. For the anion resin, we will default to sodium hydroxide as one of the system chemicals. And it will, you get a choice if you want to use the design temperature or if you want to override that because you want to do, say, a high temperature regeneration to help with silica removal. You could override the temperature there, and the program will give you a default concentration. Now for the cation resin, you'll have a choice of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. And if you choose sulfuric acid, the program will automatically determine based on your calcium concentration in the feed water if you we recommend 1 or 2 step regeneration and give our recommended concentration for each step. So if you use sulfuric acid, it will automatically determine how many steps you need for the regeneration. And then down below, you get to pick what kind of water is going to be used for backwash and the regen. Usually this would be demineralized water, but for other uses, you might have other choices here.